I was recently going through my attic and I came across the journal from when I was a teenager, and I wrote in it compulsively. And I thought about throwing it away because I didn't want to read it. But I opened it. And it was painful. I wrote a poem recently for my kids to show them how I think differently now and how I want to use my past for good. And what I'd like to do is share it with you to show you how I've reversed it, how I've thought differently. And I wrote a song as well that will go with it. My thinking can never be changed. So stop trying to tell me that things can be different and hope always prevails. Because at the end of the day, it's too much of a negative and divisive world. So I'm not going to lie to you or myself by saying there is hope for a better future. I believe that I'm incapable of making a real difference, and nothing you say will persuade me. I've made too many mistakes in the past. I just don't believe the nonsense that my past struggles have developed strength. Because when I look in the mirror, can my thinking really be any different? Can my thinking really be any different? Because when I look in the mirror, my past struggles have developed strength. I just don't believe the nonsense that I've made too many mistakes in the past. And nothing you say will persuade me that I'm incapable of making a real difference. I believe there is hope for a better future. So I'm not going to lie to you or myself by saying it's too much of a negative and divisive world. Because at the end of the day, things can be different. And hope always prevails. So stop trying to tell me that my thinking can never be changed. I can't change my past, but I can choose how I think differently to move forward with it. I believe we can think differently. Will you join me?